Welcome to DDR Performance. Today we have the Toyota 70 Series 2010 and up, cold air intake from DDR Performance. This intake has all the parts and bits and pieces to install on your vehicle. Let's start here with the box or the heat shield for the air filter. And we have the green filter, 4-layer for our harsh weather here in the Middle East. And we got the 2 silicone hoses, the screws needed to bolt the mass airflow sensor to the pipe itself, all the clamps, all the accessories, fuel regulator hose. Last but not least, we have the tune pipe over here. This tune pipe needs to be installed in the pipe this way. If you don't want to tune your vehicle, this will compensate the fuel needed for this cold air intake. If you're going to tune your vehicle later, just pull out the insert and go ahead and tune it, and you're going to enjoy big horsepower gains. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more information, visit our website, ddrperformance.com.